Hey guys, Adrian with Redwater Dodge, the home of Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. Talking about this golf ball of a Ram ProMaster, guys. So this one is a hail special, so it looks like a golf ball. I'm sure if you ever went golfing or know what a golf ball is, you know what it looks like. Come follow me. So this thing, it is a 2022 Ram ProMaster City. This bad boy is prime in its industry, all right? Thing is impeccable as far as comfort, style, and usage. I don't know what you'd call that. But from a bar stance, looks great. You come up, you can see it looks like a golf ball. She's riddled with hail, but that is also why it's $15,000 cheaper than the next one on the market, guys, especially this mileage. So the good thing about the hail damage is it doesn't affect insurance, mechanical issues, doesn't affect that, doesn't affect warranty, anything like that. It just looks bad, but that's okay. So we got wraparound headlights. We got the steel wheels, good looking tires, lots of traction or tread on them. We have breakaway mirrors, a little bit of a crack there, but look, can probably hold a golf ball. I dropped my noodle. Inside, look at this. The hail does not go inside. So, guys, you got the brand new interior stills. You got all the little dash there with the backup camera, air conditioning, automatic transmission, the nice cloth seats with the weather floor too, so you can rinse it all out. Power locks and windows. Check this out. Dual sliding doors, which it's locked. I need the keys. Now we got the keys magically. You can open it up and check this out. Whoops, I went a little bit fast. We got tons of space in for storage. We have little racks. We have a divider here, which is nice. All fiberglass with a little window too. So whatever you're looking to use this for, it's already set there. Even has little mesh plates or whatever you'd call it for the windows. Oh God, what? All right. Hold on, technical difficulties here. That never happens. So on this side of the car, guys, no hail damage. It is silky smooth like a baby's bum. But the roof, different story. The rear, perfectly fine. Now super cool too, we got barn doors here. We have these Durarak Pro R100 series shelves. So these are all aluminum, they're on tracks. So you pull them up, they slide all the way out, and they lock in place. Tons and tons of stability. They don't move anywhere. I've actually had these personally in the last van I had, and this thing is kick-ass. So got tons of storage, 4 shelves there. I think I counted right. Oh, that's 3. All right. Come around this side. Now this is where you got the dimples. So this is the root of the force of the hail. But again, this is why it's so cheap. And if you're wrapping it or putting your company logo, it's going to hide most of it. But again, you can leave it and you can be the same guy that looks at the guy at the red light and say, I saved 15 grand over some hail damage. So come on here. This door also slides open too, guys. Don't get, see, I also whipped it, so it's supposed to stay. I can show you it works. I'm just being an idiot. Hey, that one closed. And then you got hands-free calling, cruise control. The seats and interior, like I said, are like brand new. I think this thing only has like 20,000 kilometers too, I think. Hold on. Turn this on. Yeah, 20,000 kilometers, guys. So you're getting huge savings over a little bit of a dent. But again, hail sale, I've sold lots of hail damaged cars. And you know what? The people that buy these are usually the happiest people ever because they get the big savings. So want to be one of those people? Give me a shout, 780-942-3629. I'll even include a pack of golf balls in the car. So bye for now.